Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to code a catching game on Scratch. So let's get started. Now we need to have an object, a player and a backdrop. Like this one, for example. The most important part of the backdrop is the black line, because when the object falls down and it touches the black line, it's going to spawn back up. I'm going to adjust this size of the cat to 50 and let's get started. We need 3 of the object sprites. On each one of them you need to have one green flag block and the go to XY block. Do that to all of the objects quickly. Oops, I forgot to place them. Okay, once you have that all done, then let's get coding. Add player. Okay, so what the player should do is to move left and right. So drag a forever loop, drag the if block and actually 2 of them inside the forever loop. And then from sensing, drag the right arrow key clicked and left arrow key. Clicked. Okay, once you have that, you need to drag from the X, change X by 10 on the right, and for the left one, minus 10. Okay, let's run this once. Cool, right? Let me adjust something, because I don't like when the cat moves backwards. So what you need to do is to set rotation style to left, right. And then you'll need to drag 2 pointing direction blocks. So all of them needs to. So for the right arrow you need to have 90 degrees and for the left arrow minus 90 degrees. Let's do this once. Okay, so this and then this. Wow, this is so cool already. But now we need to let the objects fall. So what we need to do now is to drag a forever loop, and then what it should do is to actually move it down. So drag this change Y by 10 block and we need to change it to -3. Same goes to every object. Okay. once we have that all finished, let's run it. Now it's falling down. But now what we want to do is when it is on the black line, it should spawn back up. So we're going to drag a if block. You know what, let's drag it out so we can duplicate it after. So if touching color, well, you need to click here and then click the black line. If touching color black, then it needs to spawn up. So let's duplicate. Good. Here. Here. Okay, so now on each one they have if block. But what we need to add now is the go to X 166, Y 185. So actually the XY block, so just do it quickly. So now what we see is that if it clicks here, it should go back to the thing. Oh, I need to adjust something quickly. I actually forgot to do the adjustments because I actually did it on the wrong coordination. Okay, good. Let's see. Okay, now that's getting better. But what we want to do now is, if it touches the cat, it spawns back up. So let's duplicate this quickly because we will need that block after. If go to sensing and then touching player, then it needs to go to the same coordination as the start. Okay, so do that to every one of them. Good. Let's run and see when it touches the cat. Let me try to do. I know it's pretty impossible to get like all of them very quick. Well, you can change the speed if you want. So how you change the speed is like that. It like here, like if you change it to -1, it's gonna be slower. You see here. If it's better for you, I'll stick to 3 though. Okay, but maybe you want to also know the score. That's why we also have variables. So let's have a score variable, and then it shows every time when the player has catched one. So if touched player, change score by 1. Do it all to every object. And you need to also on start set it to 0. Okay, let's test this out. Wow, this is a cool game, right? Well, I hope this tutorial helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Enzo Next Level, and we'll see you on the next one. Goodbye!